This is a corner lot, Alexa model, ready for occupancy with 5% discount or 300,000 plus discount. So we have 5 ready for occupancy for sale dito po sa Antel Grand Broadmoor with Alexa model. So this is one of our ready for occupancy. Watch this. Another ready for occupancy with a 5% discount or almost 300,000 pesos discount. This is Alexa letter B. Well, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, click, and hit the bell button to make you updated in our latest update, most likely here at the Antel Grand Village and Anyana. And for today's video, my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager here at the Antel Grand Village and Anyana. You with this ready for occupancy Alexa model unit. Alright, so this Alexa model unit situated in a corner lot with a lot area of 106 square meters. The house is facing Manila Bay and the facade is an Asian inspired house. It's a complete 3 meter setback, since it is a corner, and also the other side it has a setback. And you have the car garage wherein your private septic tank located in the carport. So as you notice, the house is a single touch house and has 3 bedrooms, then 2 toilet and a car garage and a balcony. And join me at check natin po itong ready for occupancy house po. And this is the rear side of the house. So you have 2.5 meter setback, and from here you have almost 5 meters setback, wherein later on you can do extension modification for the unit. And mapapansin nyo po, so it has outlet dito po sa likod, in case you have renovation or extension later on, so easy for you to find the wirings. So, and your property line, and I will show you the boundary of your property line. So until here, so from here, from this firewall, it has a 2.5 meters up to that post. Okay, samahan nyo po ako, pasukin natin sa loob po. Alright, so upon entering the house, your main door is a steel door, and even the hamba, mga steel hamba din siya. And what makes this special, because this main door mas durable and matagal nyo siyang magagamit. And look at this. So this is the actual footage of the house. So this is your living area, and sara ko yung pinto. So this is your living area. You have already the outlet for your appliances and for your telephone, and you have also the provision here, and another one, it has the outlet here. So since this is your ground floor area, living area, which you can put your sofa here and dining area. Alright, so dito po sa ibaba mayroon kayong isang common CR, which is ayan, look at the fixtures. So makikita nyo po sa atin pong turnover, ganito na po yung pinaka fixtures and our turnover unit. Also, bago namin ito turnover yung unit po, we do punch listing to make sure the unit is livable. Alright, pasensya na kayo sa ating presentation po. So this is a raw video. No cutting. The purpose of this video is to aware all the buyers ng Antel and Anyana kung ano po ba yung ating construction method, and of course our deliverable unit or our final turnover. So for this Alexa model, this is our smallest unit for Antel Grand Village with a lot area of 80 square meters. But since this is ready for occupancy, situated in a corner lot, so with a lot area of 106 square meters. And look at your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. Wow. And your countertop is granite. You have a single sink. And of course, meron kang isang ventilation dito. And your main switch, the purpose of this main switch is to control fire para po safe yung ating house. Kasi po, mahal yung ating bahay. No? And dito po sa area na to, so pwede tayong maglagay dito ng inyo pong fridge. And then, dito naman sa area na to, or yung inyo pong gas range. Okay, sa outlet and socket, marami po siyang mga outlet and sockets to make sure na magagamit nyo po siya later on once you occupy this house. Alright, no, samahan nyo pa ako, no? Akitin natin sa itaas. So actually po, dito sa ilalim ng hagdanan, so you can modify this area for cabinet, which is very nice for storage area. And I know the architect and then the designers or carpentero can do your design, no? Like cabinets. And let's check the steps. So this is a wood plank. This is a hard wood, no? Very nice. And matibay siya. And let's try to count, no? Kasi meron po tayong mga exercises, no? So as long as you purchase a house and lot, lalo pinufunsoy mo siya or to attract lucky, no? So minsan the funsoy expert or the tatanda, no, mayroong mga suggestions. So pwede nating pakinggan din ang mga suggestions nila para meron tayong parang guidelines lang, no? Alright, no, bilangin natin po. So this is oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata. Wow. So this is our final turnover for Alexa model. So maganda po ang meron siyang ventilation here or window. Actually, awning type window siya. So ang purpose niyan is to lights, no, coming outside papunta dito sa pinakahagdanan nyo, medyo para hindi siya madilim. At least yung liwanag niyan, at least nakaka-power saver kayo. And look at your doors. Ayan siya. So dito sa itaas, nandito yung 3 bedrooms. So this is the common CR sa itaas po. Right? So meron siyang awning type. And then yung fixtures natin is ganito siya na 8CG. So I think the house is livable, pero i-refurbish pa po natin yun siya bago po natin siya i-hand over sa inyo. Okay, so this is the bedroom 1. Alright. Meron na siyang provision for aircon. So kasya dito ang single bed. Then the other one, this one is the master's bed. So check muna tayo yung bedroom 2. This is the bedroom 2. This is single bed also. So you have 2 windows and with a socket and outlets here and your switches. And check natin dito sa ating pong pinaka master's bedroom. Wow. The master's bedroom is more wider. No? It can accommodate king size master's bed. At what makes this special, guys, may 2 itlog, no? Look at this, no? Ayan. Ayan. So, surprisingly talaga, meron ditong itlog ng ibon. I don't know kung saan galing yung ibon sa labas yan, kaso nga lang, baka yung ibon na yan bulok na siya, no? Huwag natin siyang pakialaman dahil sa kanila po yan. Okay, so dito po sa master's bedroom, what makes this special kasi meron po itong balcony, no? So this is the balcony and the house is facing Tagaytay. This house is facing Tagaytay, which is or facing the southeast. The house is facing southeast and maganda siya kasi hindi siya mainit sa hapon. So actually po, we have promo this March for the Alexa model unit only. So we have a 5% discount per our 5 units na ready for occupancy Alexa model. Then the rest po is the regular term na siya. So if you are interested with this unit, so please comment lang po below and I will give you the computation right away. Alright? So pasensya na kayo dito sa atin pong presentation kasi very rush po ito dahil ngayon lang po nag-release ng promo ang ating office. Alright, so once again, my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Andel Grand Village and Anyana. Thank you so much po and see you here at Andel Grand Village. God bless us all.